Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Maulidan Kusmulia. I will read a narrative text entitled Pengembaraan Bermula. Once upon a time, there were two young men named Badrul and Lim. They come from the city and want to visit their grandfather who was in the village. The village was called Durian Runtuh. They come to the village and met their grandfather, Tok Dalang. The next day, his grandfather ordered a boy named Raju to take his grandson to his durian garden. They went on a ox cart pulled by a cow called Sepi. On the way, when Raju saw his talent for talking to animals, they met Upin and Ipin, who then boarded the train. Arriving at their destination, Badrul and Lim wait for the durian to fall. However, when the durian was heard falling, the fruit was stolen and eaten in an instant. They investigate the incident, and Raju, Upin, and Ipin follow them. In the forest, Raju, Upin, and Ipin met a mysterious little creature with red and white fur, which they named Opet, who was separated from his mother after accidentally entering a portal to another dimension. When it was getting dusk, Tok Dalang, Upin and Ipin grandmother, and Raju father were worried and carried out a search with the help of President. Apart from that, Badrul, Lim, Raju, Upin, and Ipin are still lost. Suddenly, a giant with the head of a buffalo skull appears and catches them all, causing Badrul and Lim to be spared from the other. Raju, Upin, and Ipin met Opet, and they were led to a dark area for shelter. However, a snake and a flock of giant leeches suddenly appear. They run and manage to find a safer hiding place. They sneak around and then manage to find a house. They realize that Badrul and Lim were kidnapped by Giant, who was Sings, one of the new residents who was in disguise. Raju, Upin, Ipin then tried to free Badrul and Lim, but suddenly Mr. Mail, friend of Sings, noticed them and a fight broke out. At the same time, Opet discovered that his mother was locked in a cage, but when he tried to free her, Opet fainted after being thrown by Mr. Mail. Opet's mother got angry and turned into a giant. He then attacked everyone in the house and they unconsciously went to the cave, where they then met a giant snake. Opet's mother fought the giant, but because she was injured, Opet's mother lost to the snake. Badrul, Lim, Raju, Upin, Ipin then headed to a portal to the world of Opet. After entering, the portal closed and they were never found again. They are lost. Sekian, terima kasih.